Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video to show how I put the air intake and outtake for my air conditioner on my, I think it's 2015, 2016 Ozark 20 by 10 family, 3 rooms. As you can see, I'm only temporarily holding it here. But these models were not privy to the air fly that they have now, the air conditioned fly. So I did a lot of research and I couldn't find anybody doing any air out and in for these kind. You know, some just had it hanging out the door, but I didn't really want that see on this side neither. As you can see, I'm walking to this side, and here you go. This is what I made. It's made out of PVC plastic. I got 2 pieces, sandwiched them together. Put Gorilla Glue adhesive in the back so it would be waterproof and rain wouldn't come in. Like I said, I didn't see any YouTube videos or anybody explaining how to do something like this. Basically, I just bought this piece at Home Depot. It was 16 bucks, screws, and the Gorilla Glue was $9.99, so it wasn't expensive. So now I'm gonna come to this side. So you can see I'm temporarily holding them with my fire pit bricks. So I turned it on around maybe 5 minutes, not even 10, and the temperature on the AC said that it was like 90 degrees in there. Oh, it's cooler in here than out there for sure. Whew. See, I started putting a tarp to cover this area here to prevent the air, from coming out. But I don't have a big enough one to do it, so I'm going to try to go to my local hardware store and get one. This is the model, Frederick. It says it's 83 degrees. I don't know if you can see it. So from 92 we have dropped significantly, and that's that it's still open for the elements. So I'm sure that once I seal it completely, well, it's not going to be sealed completely, but once it's grabbed completely, maybe it'll be more bearable. All right, this is the back side. So you can see I put the Gorilla Glue silicone around all that area there. So it's doing its job. It's dry already. I mean, not even to it's just dry. It takes 24, 48 hours to cure, the bottle says. But like I said, I did this quick video just to demonstrate how I got the air coming in and the air going out. Like I said, I haven't seen anybody do something like this. Maybe I wasn't searching the right way, but well, hopefully this will work. Like I said, this tent is we bought it back in 15 when we went camping. So hopefully it's going to do its job. Like I said, this Frederick, just to get the model number here or there. All right. See, it's I think this is like 2012, I believe, but this is why I like it. 8,900 BTUs. So, and watts input is 923. We used this during Hurricane Irma. We lost power for about 4 days. Put it to the window and had our master bedroom cooled off. But as you can see, it's a big tent. Hopefully once I put the cover on the roof to keep more of the cold air inside, it'll work. You can see this side here, it's like hanging right on, so it's not like the rain fly that it gives you that openness to get the air in and out. So yeah, I'm trying to use this new handheld device for the phone. See how it works. It's my first video using it, so quite not got the hang of it yet. But like I said, it's a Fredericks 8,900 BTU. It should cool this 10 by 20 tent, so it's at least bearable at night. It's more tolerable at nighttime in the Florida heat, especially when you have 4 kids. It's easy for them to complain like they always do. Well, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like and a share, and appreciate it.